Hello, YouTubers out there. I bought myself a new item on eBay. A grinder, belt grinder. Pack it up, see what's inside the package. Chinese, of course. What else? Everything is Chinese. That's the package. Inside, well protected, foam material. Belt 1 inch by 30 inch. See inside. It's the power supply. You can adjust the RPMs. It's a bracket here. Just unboxing. I can assemble it later. Seems to be a quite sturdy grinder. It's a wheel also. Other wheels. Plate to rest to work on. Plug. UK plug. UK plug, I don't know what it goes into adapter. You can use it in Denmark. A little bit instruction. That's it. Let's take a closer look. Here's the machine itself. And tighten and then screws there. Take off this more brackets, stainless steel. Drive wheel. This is the drive wheel. This is can't remember in English what we call this one. Seems to be good quality. For sure. Tool. Comes from Germany. Now I live in Denmark. There you have it. Board wheels, the bracket, the rest for the work. I think another rest, the machine itself. And tighten it here. Wrong way. Why it's not very tight, that bolt. Stop the camera. Fizzling on this. Okay, I got a better tool to adjust this machine. There's a swivel here, you can pivot the whole machine with the engine and the drive wheel. It's a 5 Umbraco Allen wrench and Allen key used for this. That one to get the machine sucks. We have another one here. Now it's in the horizontal position now. So, little engine. Tighten the adjustment here. It's massive steel. This is stainless. This is back steel. Stainless. Bracer belts. Poor quality, I guess. Don't know the grit of this one. I think it's maybe 120. This is 800. Grit 800. I guess. This one is grit 60. I think it's a very coarse belt. So I think I'm gonna put some footage really close so you can see what we have here. The adjustable controller, you can adjust the RPMs. Okay, on and off button. I don't know which country this one fits in at all, but there's an adapter here, as I told before. You can plug into that one and you're ready to go. Danish plugs. Yeah, smells bad. The oil used in China, of course, as always. And you can plug in the machine to the controller. This one, I guess. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna assemble this one. I'm gonna return. Here you can see the instruction manual. Some pictures so you can see how to assemble this machine. In Chinese and a little bit English also. Well, just wanted to show that before I assemble the machine. Well, the machine is assembled now, but the tracking on this belt is very sensitive. We turn on the knob. You have to play with that one function for a while so it tracks straight. I'll wait with this assembly. And now we're gonna take the big contact wheel. That's what's the word, contact wheel and drive wheel. But we just lose the tension off here and take off the belt. Put it on again. Center it on the wheels and release the tension. Easy. But how to, I tried to turn this one on. Nothing happens. There's power on. And it was driving before, then I closed it here and then I could not start again. So I think you have to close it here somewhere or here. We have to figure this one out. It's not so easy. But a guy on YouTube told me not to mess with the program button. So just have to figure this system out. But here you have it, the machine. Easy to assembly. So I'm gonna pause the camera, then I'm gonna try to figure out to start it again. Well, I just pushed some buttons and then suddenly it starts. But now it's going now. Turn on the volume dial. As I told before, very sensitive. Pivot, belt adjustment. Just a fraction you turn this one, goes to either this side or the other side. That really sucks. Very difficult to align. I don't like that. It's annoying. Thing is here now. More velocity. RPM. It goes over to that side. The more velocity goes over to the right side. I'm a little bit disappointed. So much trouble for doing that. That really sucks. Full RPMs now. Place it on the contact wheel, see how it goes. Turn on again. Okay. Have to be on track on that one. Okay. And goes over to that side again. Only a fraction to turn on this one. That really sucks. Impossible to center it on the contact wheel. Give it too much, goes over to the right side, out to the left side now. It goes back again. What the fuck? Really annoying. Well, let's find some steel. Do some sharpening, grinding. Okay, find an old knife I can ruin. Turn on the machine again. It's not full speed. Full power. Still happy. Full power. Full RPM. Of course, this grid is too much for this knife, but just for demonstration purpose. Try and find some steel I can grind. Have some wood, soft wood. Piece of steel, 3 millimeters thickness. See how it goes. Full RPMs. Try the wood first. Pointy. Seems to be enough power. You cannot kill the motor. A little bit. But the purpose of this grinder is to sharpen knives. We're gonna have put this one on, have an angle, drag it on that one. Get some sparks now. It's not for heavy duty work though, but for grinding knives, it's absolutely okay. It's impossible to align this belt on the contact wheel, but this is it's not okay, but better than nothing. This. Implement this direction here. Okay, sturdy on the table, no vibration. That's positive. That's okay. Try with the wood again. Round this corner. Pressure. That's okay powerful. For the use I'm gonna the purpose of it, okay power for sure. I'm building a bigger machine myself, something like this. So just for more powerful, more heavy duty work. Try and change the belt. It's okay. A guy on YouTube, he told me the first time you use this belt, for long the machine will just disintegrate it, but that's not true. You can see I've been using it, so there's nothing wrong with that one. The arrow is to go this way. This is I think it's grade 800. Big difference. To polish up the knife. My plan is to first 120 or then 220 and finish you off with a 600 or 800 grit belt sharpening knives. Well, let's try again. See how it tracks the belt. Oh, it's really crazy now. You have to adjust the belt every time you change it. That really sucks. Especially when it's so difficult to do. It's very unsteady. I'm just turning this knob fraction of a millimeter. Goes outside again. really annoying, cracking of the belt. Really annoying. Try everything now. Try to center it again. Probably go to the other side again. Nothing about it. That's the way it is. Can't do. You don't want all this trouble, you change the belt. Just run, fucking go. No fucking annoying stuff. But of course it's Chinese product. It's not cheap, the machine. That's disappointing. It's not expensive, not cheap, in the middle price. I can't remember how much it is when it comes to it. Maybe you guys in the comments can tell me what I do wrong here. This is of course out of the box. And I have to tighten something on the machine, whatever. But this is a issue for sure. Very annoying. Well, I have to have a rest, an angle bracket to get the bevel, correct bevel on the knife. This is just a test. But this grit is very, very fine. Well, there we have it. Have to play a little bit more with this grinder, sharpener, but well, I'm disappointed about the tracking of the belt. That's very, very disappointed about that. I hope I can fix it in the future. Yeah. It's okay with the adjustment of the RPMs. That's nice. That I like. That's a good pro. The big con is the adjustment of the belt, the tracking of the belt. Big, almost a deal breaker. If I don't fix this, it's a deal breaker. But too late, I bought the machine. Do nothing about it. Try and switch it off. Turn it on again. See if I have to press something here. Right. It's okay now. I don't know what I did wrong first time. There's the engine. It's not hot. It's cold outside. I film outside because of the light is good outside. But yeah, I'll stop now. This review of this Chinese 1 inch by 30 inch grinder. Yeah, I have mixed feelings about this machine now, but it is what it is. I'm gonna try and put this one on, see how it tracks. Maybe it's better. Don't know. Okay, I put on the other contact wheels on. Seems to track better than the other one. I didn't square the belt with the rest. not good, and don't stack them up here. The turner will not stay in the same position you want. Oh, it's really fucked up. Really annoying, man. You turn it up, goes back to the position it started. That's bad quality, in my opinion. Now it's okay. Well, maybe I have to learn this machine, but it's weird, really weird. Power. The pressure of the machine so much and this function, lack of power. You can adjust film from this direction here. You can adjust this in and out. There's no room here, so it's fully adjusted now. You're gonna have to, I don't have some wing nuts, so you can do this without tools. This and goes against the work rest here. This one has to be longer, this one, to be able to, I don't know how much you can pivot this machine, but I don't know this machine is so good yet. I'll see how much I can pivot this one. This maybe, you know. This is, I think this may be the maximum angle you can pivot it in. See how the tracking is this time. Fucks up or what? Put this one a little bit out. Lose tension. See how it goes now. It'll explode. Drop the RPM, goes over to the left side again. Depends on how much RPM you have. Starting to dragging up the belt. rest on here. Maybe you can put in this hole, maybe. That's the purpose of that hole. I think it is. I like to have two bolts in this slot. That's my opinion. So you can use this hole instead of that one. Because you can adjust this also, the angle. Develop some piece of steel like this, for example. The benefit for this, take the contact wheel. And a bevel here now. That's okay. More power in this position. The pressure on the wheel and on the belt. Again. That's running. That's running. Close. Shut this down here before. You can just turn on here and it runs. It needs a little break. Also a weird thing. Well, I guess I have to learn this machine. Small weird thing. You know? Yeah. I think I'm done with this machine for now. But it's a little bit better to adjust the belt. A fraction better, but not acceptable. Do some modification on this adjustment knob here. I don't like always to make adjustments, modifications. But if that's the way it is, then that's the way it is. But can I recommend this machine? Well, no, I cannot. As it runs now, with this lousy belt adjustments crap, then I cannot recommend this machine. If this one was okay, this tracking stuff here, without any issue, I could recommend this machine. But this is a big issue for me. There's too much slop in this one. Maybe a stronger spring can fix that one. I don't know. I have to fix it because it's very, very annoying indeed. I thought there was more power. I thought there was more RPMs on this machine. But it's okay to grind knives so that don't ruin the blade with too much heat. So that's okay. a lousy quality knife anyway. Well, I'm gonna make some modification on this machine for sure. But as it is now from the box, I cannot recommend this machine. No way. Did I regret buying this one? A little bit. If I fixed the tracking problem, I'm not regret it, but I regret it a little bit now. So let's see how it goes in the future. That's all for the review today, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.